Hi, I'm Fix-It Nick, and today on Redneck Rescue.
So this was our situation. They were trying to back the trailer with the boat back up into the garage. Just came back from the shop. Slid, jackknifed. Fortunately missed the power box. Once you start sliding backwards, there's really not much you can do. It jackknifed and stopped, but it didn't catch the tail light. It's just the bumper at that point. Boat's looking good. We're going to start off by pulling to the side. We've got the snatch block set up to Miranda over here. We're going to pull the trailer just this way a little bit, not enough that the stern drive will drag, but enough to relieve the tension here. Then we can drag the nose straight, and we'll be good to go. We are on solid ice. Ice did a nice fall down and went underneath the cables before they were tensioned. We'll come around this other side here, make sure we like what's going on. This trailer's just barely making contact, which is actually perfect.
The goal here is to pull those trailer tires to the edge of the driveway. Without the stern drive dragging on the ground, we want to be able to drag the nose of the vehicle around and pull it straight up and out.
Okay, kind of wanted to stop there. Clearance is looking good. Where's the edge of the driveway? We go like another foot. All right, let's look at that. So we relieve the pressure here. We've put blocks in front of the trailer tires. We're gonna pull the front end over. We're laced through the wheel. All right, just hold your brakes.
As we pull the nose over, it creates more clearance between the hitch and the back bumper of the vehicle, so we can back it up a foot or so and create a little more clearance for this electrical box.
All right, straighten your tires out. And go ahead and go in reverse. And we're gonna go, turn them back this direction just a little bit. There you go. We're gonna back up like 6 inches. Come on back. Gentle. Okay. Start. And turn your tire back tight again. All right, just go ahead and hold those brakes again.
The reason that I have them hold the brakes is so that wheel that we're laced through doesn't rotate and the strap doesn't go up towards the body.
1.5 inches to spare.
Now that we've dragged the nose around and it's pointing in the right direction, we'll just drive it straight out. No big deal.
Totally clear. We like to call that moving in a positive direction. And they're backing it in for the win now. Got it all cleared. Path to success. If you enjoyed today's episode of Redneck Rescue, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We got other rescues coming down the line. Have fun out there.